any instant of time, suppose that mass has some velocity v, fine. Any particle which has mass v, is it okay? That time it has mass v and velocity is what? See, mass is m and velocity is what? V. Is it okay? At any instant of time, when any particle which is doing the oscillation, in SHM, suppose that it has mass m and velocity is v. That time kinetic energy we can write it as 1 by 2. What we can write it? We can write it half mv square. Is it okay? Is it okay? Now we know the velocities also. Velocities we can write it in SHM. What we can write it? 1 by 2. Velocities equation, you remember it? Now what is that? A omega cos omega t plus phi. You want to write it? You can write it. Otherwise, no need. Fine. So otherwise, okay, I will write equation. This will be your kinetic energy or not? Simply 1 by 2 mv square, and in place of v just substitute the values. Is it fine? Now here you can see this energy, and this energy you can see this, whether this energy is changing with respect to time or not. Whether this energy is changing with respect to time or not? It is changing, right or not? Okay. Now we have to see the graph between how this energy is changing with respect to time. Is it okay? We will draw the graph between time and kinetic energy. Is it okay? And this energy formula you can write it as in terms of time. Is it okay? This is a kinetic energy formula in terms of time. Is it okay? In SHM motion. Now suppose that we have to write the kinetic energy in terms of displacement. Fine. So again we can write this kinetic energy is can be written as Ke equals to 1 by 2 mv square. Is there any problem? Now v values also we know. And what is that? V values we can write 1 by 2. And m is how much? M. And velocity equation you remember? See, that is what? Omega, if you remember it, a square minus x square. Is it right or not? This was the equation. And now from here we can write it this 1 by 2, and this is your m omega square and a square minus x square. You can write like this or not? Is there any problem in this? Okay. Now I think there is no issue. 1 by 2 mv square a square minus x square. Right? And here you can see that this kinetic energy is equation, and with the displacement this kinetic energy is changing. Is it true or not? Is it true or not? We will see the relation. We will draw the curve. Is it okay? Is there any problem in this? Okay. Now if I want to write it, suppose that the max kinetic energy. See, if I am saying when will be the max kinetic energy. What? See, by seeing this equation, what you can say? What will be the max kinetic energy? By seeing this equation, what you can say? What can be the maximum kinetic energy? If I want to write it, Ke kinetic energy max. What maximum values is possible from this equation? Again I'm just saying or asking, what can be the maximum values possible by seeing this equation, maximum kinetic energy? What is up? Can you tell anything about this? See, we can understand it. If we substitute here x values 0, we will get the maximum values. And if you substitute any values other than 0, you will get this term less than. Right or not? If you substitute the values x equals to 0, you will get a square. Right or not? But if you substitute any values of x other than 0, you will get this term lesser than a square. Right or not? Is it right or not? So you will get the maximum values when x will be of 0. Is it right or not? So here can we write it that max values we can write it as 1 by 2 m omega square, and this can be written as a square. Fine or not? And here this maximum values we are getting kinetic energy, max values of kinetic energy we are getting. Now at what point we are getting? At x equals to 0. Is it right now? And x equals to 0 represent what situation? Equilibrium, right or not? So you need to remember it, like we will get maximum kinetic energy at equilibrium. Is it true? We will get the maximum kinetic energy at what point? At equilibrium. Is it okay? So here we can say at x equals to 0, you can say at x equals to 0, you will get the values of this one, and this you can say at equilibrium situation, right? Equilibrium point you can say, or mean position you can say, or equilibrium position you can say. Fine enough? So you will get the maximum kinetic energy. The kinetic energy's values is this, and you will get at x equals to 0. Fine. And also if you see this equation, according to this equation, what we can get the maximum values of kinetic energy? See, by seeing that equation, what we can say? Half m. See, here maximum values you will get when this cross, this term will become 1. Right or no? We will get the maximum values when this will become 1. So here if it is 1, we can say 1 by 2 m a square omega square. We will get the same term. Is it okay? We can write this kinetic energy. Is it true? Is it fine or not? Is there any problem? Okay. If I say minimum kinetic energy, K kinetic energy, and if I am writing minimum, what can be possible minimum values of kinetic energy according to this equation? 0. And if I am saying it is 0, then you just tell at what point you will get 0? At x equals to? Is there any other point where you will get 0? At x equals to a, is it fine? There is no problem. But is there any other point other than this x equals to a? See, omega is 0, then how this SHM will take place? See, SHM is happening. But any other point you are seeing, or x equals to a is your final answer? Where? No. See, that is something, that is omega here. See, what we see, we write this and we write this equation, in that we know that omega is always constant term. Is it okay or not? Because we have seen in circle, and that point projections we assume as an SHM, right or not? Now here again you just see, if you see here at x equals to a, is it okay? At x equals to a you are getting 0, there is no problem. But x equals to minus a also you will get 0. If you substitute the values x equals to minus a, whether you will get 0 or not, you will get. And these x equals to a as well as x equals to minus a, both points representing the extreme positions, right or not? So you can say that at extreme positions you will get the kinetic energy is how much? 0. And in mean position you will get maximum kinetic energy. Is this term is okay? Is it okay? At extreme positions you will get kinetic energy how much? 0. And at the mean position or equilibrium position you will get kinetic energy is how much? Half mv square. Is it fine? Is it fine? And here we can write it like, here we can write it, we will get at extreme positions. Fine? Extreme positions. Now you will see, we will try to draw the curve between kinetic energy and this potential energy. Fine? Kinetic energy and this displacement. Is it fine? But before drawing it, we will just write the potential energy also, and after that we will draw it. Is it okay? One by one we will draw it. Is it fine? Just write it quickly. Just write it quickly.